About to run up to the store real quick, get some gas. I'm not gonna fill up this time. I'm just gonna put like 5 gallons in here. So let's roll. Is that closed? Nope, it's not closed. There we go. All right, let's ride out, y'all. It's hot today, and it's cloudy, as y'all can see, but it is hot. It's the first drive since I put the tank back up, and this will probably be the last drive before I drop the suspension, put the coilovers on, so I just wanted to get it out. Yeah, she bouncing. So hopefully, I can put some air in it too. Tires. Hopefully, well, I ain't no hopefully. I know the coilovers will fix all this. New springs, new shocks, new bushings, ball joints, all that. So hope y'all can hear me. This wind is loud. Let me crack the windows a little bit, let them up. So I might open it up on the way back, because I'm not sure how much gas is in here right now, so I don't want to open it up right now, because I am not about to push this sucker. And I'm only a mile, not even a mile, 0.9 miles from my house where this gas station is. If any of you guys saw that video when I drove it up here and the transmission linkage came off, and I didn't know that you could put it in gear by hand, so I was 0.1 mile away from the house and had to call for a tow, and that tow cost me $116 bucks. That was the most expensive 0.9 miles. That's crazy. I mean, cop right there. I mean, I got plates, I got insurance. I do have antique plates, so technically you're only supposed to drive it for maintenance, but this is, I'm going to get gas, so if you say anything, you know, it's whatever. So I'm giving y'all 2 points of views right now. I got the phone facing me, and then I got the action cam facing, let me see, did I put this on 4K 60? Okay, I did, I just wanted to make sure. So I got the action cam facing frontwards. It shoots 4K 30 frames per second, and I've got my iPhone 11 Pro with the front facing camera, or the back, whichever, however you call it, facing me, so I can see myself. But I have it set at 4K 60 frames per second, so we'll see how good this footage comes out. The fan's already kicked on, so we running cool. My gas gauge is reading about 1/4 of a tank, but like I said, I had drained all that fuel out, and then when I got the tank put back in, I put about, I don't know, I guess about 12 gallons in, so I don't know, it's not reading properly, so I have to figure that out later, or I may just wait so I get the new gauges if I change them, so we'll see. All right, buddy. I'm gonna get some gas. I'm gonna run in here and grab me something to drink, and then I'll go back to the house and get my other car, and then I'll go get us something to eat for dinner, because I don't know what we're gonna eat yet for dinner. But I just wanted to do this before it got too late. So I'm just gonna pull up and get about, like I said, probably just 5 gallons. So let me do that. I'll cut y'all on after I get the gas. All right, y'all. So it took, I put 15 in there, so that's about a little under 5 gallons. But I want to give y'all a quick walk around, and then I'm gonna pop the hood, because I know I get mad when guys do videos and they don't pop the hood. Even though most of y'all have already seen the motor. But a quick little rundown. So I got LED lights in the front. They're white. Hold on, let me get my microphone. All right, so I wanted to put the mic on here so y'all can hear me better. So like I was saying, I got LED lights in the front, but they're switchback, my signal lights. So when they blink, they'll blink orange. So I just want to do a quick walk around. 1986 SS Monte Carlo, hard top. I fell in love with T-top yesterday after going to that car show, so I'm thinking about putting the sunroof in this one. But I just put what, 15 bucks. I got about almost 5 gallons, and I want to just make sure there wasn't gonna be no leaks. It's my first real drive since I replaced the gaskets in the fuel tank. So far everything looking good. Running smooth. So let me pop the hood, show y'all what I'm working with. So most of y'all already know this is a 5.7 LS1 with 4060E out of a 2002 Camaro SS. Custom cold air intake, I guess if you want to call it cold air. PSI, computer and harness. My little makeshift battery, cables and fuse panel for my fans and my LED headlights. Let me turn those on too, hold on. So I got, I think these are 6,000 Kelvin H4 bulbs. So you can see they pretty bright. Griffin radiator. So yeah. So all right, let me get back in, head back to the crib, and we're gonna do a couple of pulls. All right, so far successful. Let's see if we can snatch this mud up out of here. Watch this. Oh yeah. She moves, baby. Y'all gonna get tired of my little goofy ass laugh. I had a pretty decent day. Arturo, I know you probably gonna watch this, so I had an okay day. So, but you know, it was a little stressful, but we made it through, and this is my my reward right here, being able to log off and crank this up. So, but we'll get there, Arturo. So, but look at this, man. Oh man, I ain't never seen the lights in the reflection like that. Let me turn my blinker on and see if you can see it with this camera. You should be able to see a reflection in that truck. It's blinking orange. So that's what I was telling y'all about. They had the signal lights. They're called switchback. So they shine white, and then when the flashes are on, they blink amber. I've seen those on a lot of the newer cars, so that's what made me want it. So let me see if I can. I'm gonna take this back street that I normally go. Give y'all a quick little pull. So she sound good though, as y'all can hear. The brakes are actually pretty good, considering I haven't changed them yet. But I think it's mainly because of this engine. Because when I first got the car with the stock 305 in it, the brakes were kind of spongy. So I'm assuming it was either had a vacuum leak or something, or maybe that brake, I don't even know what it's called, the vacuum thing that goes on the booster, the line that goes to the back of the intake. Maybe that was, because I think they put a new one on here when they did the swap. So maybe that was causing the brakes to not. See, look, I put 4.6 gallons in it. It went up to half the tank. So I don't think that's accurate, but it could be. But it was on a quarter of a tank. So I'm not gonna top it off ever again, just because I'm paranoid now. Ever since I had that spillover. So let me make sure this thing here is recording. I'm gonna turn right here, and then we're gonna go down this strip through this little neighborhood real quick, and then it's gonna open up. So I haven't been down here in a while. Make sure it's recording. Is it? It should be. Come on, baby. Come on, man. So as long as I get this, that's cool. I didn't get to pull off from the gas station. That's all right. So this street right here, it's a pretty straight shot with no stop sign until about maybe a little over a quarter mile. So I'm about to rip it real quick. First time in a long time. So here we go. Boy, she shifts so good. It shifts so smooth. I guess I could have turned in front of that Camaro, but I was still trying to make sure this mother was gonna stop. I'm about to turn in front of this Lexus though, because you're going too slow. So it's just so good, and I be forgetting that it's only 4 gears. I'm so used to driving the Porsche. It's got 6. It shifts really quick and quiet. This one shifts quick, but you can kind of feel it. But them 4 gears, ain't nothing like having a 4-speed compared to, you know, when you're used to driving a 6-speed, newer, Tiptronic type transmission. So anyway, y'all, about to get back to the crib, put it in the garage. Man, if y'all got any questions, holler at me, let me know. I'll share any information that I know. I will definitely share it with you guys. But like I say, this is an 86 SS with a 5.7 LS1 4L60E combo, pulled straight out of an 02 Camaro. You got the computer and the harness tuned from, a computer tuned and harness from PSI. And it's pretty much a stock street tune. I'm planning on putting the cam in it, but not right now. And I'm running the full hooker exhaust, headers, long tube headers all the way back, X-pipe dual exhaust. When you hit it, you can feel it grab, man. The only thing I'm missing is the not missing, but the only thing that I'm lacking right now is my posi. So I definitely need to get that. I'm keeping the gear ratio that's in here, which is the 373s, but I'm definitely gonna roll with a posi. I want to be able to do 2-leg burnout. Yeah, it was good. So I made it. All right, y'all. It's your boy Penny LS1. Stay tuned. I will be in Atlanta this weekend for Whips by Waves Certified Summer Show. So if you out there, if you see me, holler at your boy. Get some good footage and chop it up with some of the homies. So Penny LS1, thank everybody for your support. Holler at your boy.